Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can connect your Google/Gmail account with your account on SoloLearn on mobile. So let us begin. So launch the SoloLearn application on Android or iOS and log into your account. And what you will need to do, guys, is access your profile or account settings. To do that, tap into profile in the bottom right, and after that tap into these three dots in the top right and select settings from this drop-down menu. Next, what you want to do is navigate to connected accounts here. So as you can see, I am already connected with my Google account, and I can disconnect with it by tapping into disconnect to the right. But if you'd like to add it or link it with your SoloLearn app account, tap into add here and simply choose the Gmail/Google account you would like to connect from that list below. You can also tap into add another account to log into your Google account for the first time on the given device. And after that, your Google account will be automatically connected with your account on SoloLearn. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.